Hello everyone, today we are working on this window well right here, and if you take a look at it, it tells you everything about it. It's a good storytelling of this window well. So today's video is going to be how to replace this window well and putting a brand spanking new one. So the first things I'm going to do on this window well right here is I am going to get rid of all this brick flooring right here and remove this, and then I'm going to remove this, the old structure right here, remove out of there, and the new one that I'm getting is slightly bigger. So I need to do more digging and more modification in order to fit this thing. So that's the process I'm going to do. So I am basically taking the little cement block out of the floor right here, and all kinds of treasures. What I find, little earwigs everywhere. Gross, right guys? Oh, more little critters everywhere. It's just falling down like an Indiana Jones. I feel like I'm Indiana Jones trying to get the treasure of a god and all the little bugs down there. Alright guys, so as I was digging, and look what I had discovered. Bunch of root with a sprinkler wire goes all the way across there to all the way to there, and then from there I also found a sprinkler pipe right here along the window well. That is so weird. This thing is put together just right along the window well, and so it's gonna be a bit of a challenging to dig this thing around. Well, Camp 14, North Korea. They sent me to Kim Jong-un sent me to a prison, Camp 14. I am slave to a labor camp, and so I have to deal with the earwigs crawling everywhere, and the spiders, and all these little critters. So if I ever get hungry, I get to eat these for a protein. And so it's not all the way coming off, but I got the top and the middle part, and now I'm gonna work on the bottom part. Meanwhile, I'm gonna throw this thing to the guys, I'm here at the location to buy one of these window well that's already made, and so I'm here at the Superior Plug and Steel. If you guys are wondering why I'm wearing different clothes, because today's a new day. Yesterday it took us at least 6 to 7 hours digging out. You know why? Because I was picking out a bunch of potatoes out of the ground. Just so many potatoes. If you guys ever want potatoes and stuff like that, please let me know and leave the comments, and I will glad to give you all this. This is so delicious and yummy to eat, and if you just put it in the oven, it might bake, it might not bake, but who knows. You know, if you ever get hungry, just let me know. I will send you some stuff away. Meanwhile, we go ahead and put this thing, we got the new window well, obviously, and we put it in here, and guess what? The height, the width, everything turned out to be just perfect. So I'm using this marker right here, and I'm going to make the mark to make the drill So I'm only going to do 2 bolts for both sides, one here and one in the middle is my plan for it. And so yeah, so a little more work to go, but we're almost done with this project. I'm using this type of anchor right here. It's hardware, what is it, the concrete hardware for this kind. And as I screw this thing tip right here will eventually expand out, and it will lock in. Think of this as a concrete, and it will start locking in and it expands like a wing. So this is type of the bolt I am using, and it goes right here, and I'm going to create a hole here and then just go insert right inside for that. So for me to drill, I'm using this concrete drill, a special bit for the concrete for it, and I made let's see, a tape mark right here for how far to drill right inside here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go from that. And then I'm just go ahead and I'm using this to insert in. Putting this in window well and inserting it is a little bit difficult. I had a lot of adjustings, but somehow the hole that I drilled and stuff worked out just perfectly. And so I can go ahead and put a nut right there, and I can go ahead and turn it, and there goes that. Okay, and you know guys, right here, this is my favorite tool. Let me go ahead and find the right one. Yep, that's the right one. I can go ahead and turn it. So guys, I'm in the process of putting a dirt backing around the window well, and right in the center, I'm going to put more gravels in there, just to repel waters and things like that, so let it soak down there. But this project is coming along really perfect. I'm very, 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 very pleased about this project right here, how well it's turning out. Alright guys, I cannot believe it guys. Take a look. Look down there. Look, 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 look. From what it was before and right now the after, it turned out to be so well. The project of this window well is all done, it's all finished. Guys, I am so proud of this particular project, and I hope that this project will help you for your window well. And remember to subscribe and do all the like and all the fun stuff. And thanks for supporting me. Love you guys, and see you next video.